Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline, and I am super excited that we have just completed T Largo number 18 of 20. This is our limited edition wide body program that we've been sharing with you over the past couple of years for the Tesla Model X. And this is what really makes it look incredible. While the Tesla Model X hands down is the best car in the world, and trust me, I own one just like you do, but the exterior styling is a little plain vanilla for me and for most of us. And our wide body program, T Largo, takes care of that. Actually, at its widest point in the rear, it's 4.3 inches wider than the normal Model X. And that's thanks to all the parts of the program. The complete T Largo body kit is made of real carbon fiber, and we can finish it any way you'd like to have it. Starting off with the lower front apron, it's actually two pieces, and this customer chose to have it finished in a gloss clear coat to really show off the carbon fiber and the deep weave. Then we go ahead and we start with our front fender arch, which is two pieces. You get this really cool cut-in design element, and then you have the side skirt or the rocker panel. Now, we decided to go ahead and paint the front fender flares and the rear ones in body color to match. But as you could see on the side skirts, we painted a portion of it, but let the center area be exposed carbon fiber, again, finished in gloss clear coat. Super cool. Now, as we move to the rear of the vehicle, we have our carbon fiber wing, as well as our really aggressive lower rear diffuser. Also finished in body color partially, as well as gloss carbon fiber. Now let's get right into the wheels. You cannot have a wide body kit without the perfect wheel that has the proper fitment and just sits right. And our limited edition 20 spoke, 22-inch wheels uses the original Tesla Pirelli 22-inch tire, but with some special mounting hardware from us. As you can see, the fitment is absolutely perfect. Now, these wheels were finished as a first for us. We've never done this before, and I think it looks great in a brushed clear coat finish. Something really bright, but not chrome. Very different. I like it, and I'd actually love to hear from you guys. Should these wheels have been finished in gloss black or matte black like we always do, or do you love this brushed clear coat? Now, as you can see, we did something that we've done hundreds of times, and that is chrome delete. Actually getting rid of the chrome window trims, door handle look, underneath the side mirrors, the front markers, the chrome V-line trim up front is now all gloss black. Very sporty finish, very trendy. As you know now, all new Teslas do not have any chrome anymore. They have either a satin matte black finish, or the new Model S Plaid actually has a gloss black chrome delete. So very cool there, no more chrome. That trend is not really one anymore. Now, window tint. Every Tesla needs to be tinted, and that's because we have so much glass, which gives us a really great feeling and vibe inside the car, but it gets hot. And the only way to really take care of that is to tint it with the best automotive film in the industry, made by 3M, called Crystalline. So the 3M Crystalline film, besides giving you what everybody wants is a tinted appearance, if we tint all glass surfaces, including the windshield, the doors, the rear hatch, for those Teslas that have a sunroof panel, that's crucial as well, we will absolutely be able to bring down the internal temperature, cool off your interior by up to 15 degrees, while giving you a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays to protect your skin and your interior. Lastly, we wanted to go ahead and protect this beautiful pearl white paint job and the interior, and the only answer for that is Ceramic Pro. Ceramic Pro sealant for the outside, the inside, the wheels, the brake calipers, even the glass. Repels dirt, repels water stains, repels anything that can go ahead and adversely affect your exterior or your interior, and cleanup is made very easy. We love their silver package, which gives you a 5-year warranty, and it has become a very popular trend to really protect your car, and Ceramic Pro has the answer for that. That's all I got for you today, Tesla fans. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you don't already, because you know we have so many more incredible videos coming your way soon.